I'm in Gapogweni Stadium here. I'm joined by TS Galaxy Fanatics, Mama Fish on my right, and President Chusi on my left. But it's here two more la. Mama Fish, performance yemantombatana winile namuhla defeating Matsansansa.
Ngijabulile kakhulu mina masijabulile vele kuba mnanzi ngasekhaya kuba mnanzi kakhulu ngibonile nesupport beyiningi kakhulu vele bekufanele bawine namuhla because mabala ekhaya ingla support ikhona khona kaBhokweni Stadium and isifiso sethu ukuthi nalama games la salandzelako na last weekend next weekend babuye la kaBhokweni Stadium uyibonile support ukuthi beyingakanani
Ema bekubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi namhla TS Galaxy Queens FC iwin emidlalo wanamuhla ngoba beyinisena 3 games solo mama singathi solo stop but babo 1 point eyi1 basilima taliviki leliphelile against Sundowns bekumcoka kangakanani ukuthi namhla iwin le game namuhla
bekubalekile kakhulu isilimele last week man lapha eKanyamazane Stadium Sundowns isilimate kakhulu but besathi ukuthi namuhla fanele sithole 3 points ishito ukuthi uma singabi number 1 but we need to improve from the last position ya last season obvious bese ku number 3 this year sifuna at least be ku number 2 if it's like kuba number 1
yeah Mama Fish performance yemantombatana namuhla uyibone benjani namuhla khuluma na Mama Fish
yona beyihle kakhulu just vele uma nidlala and nilapha phezulu lapha kulokho niba nema challenges lamaningi kakhulu and bafika vele bafuna kunishaya vele bonke bafika baemile bafuna kunishaya angeke abe easy ma games wethu vele onke la sele angeke aze abe easy but kungijabulisile ukuthi at least le 3 points awu samba nayo
yini mama lento yenu lena Mama Fish Mama Fish mantombatane namhla yadlala ngiphi imessage mafans wabonile bekaphuma ngetinkantato tonke tindlela Mama Fish ngiphi imessage lo nawo to TS Galaxy Fanatics
siyabona ukuthi njengoba bengishida ukuthi akhona ama supporters and amaningi ma supporters kaBhokweni Stadium la ngisho ukuthi kune next game abantu bagcwele le stadium ngisho buyani ma supporters eTS Galaxy buyani nina nonke bakaBhokweni nginithembile kakhulu niyathi ukuthi ngebhola niyayithanda kakhulu ibhola mabayiletha la stadium ngiyathi ukuthi into banikhona next week bayabuya futhi sicela ukuthi nibuyeni futhi
batshele ukuthi Grootman Sukazi ubendela tinvoti ibelulu vele sinini bantu babami ngitawungena njani
remember le game le team is the only team eMpumalanga ledlalako ku Hollywood Super League inilethela khona ekhaya Sukazi unilethela yona le game la ekhaya kuthi ningaze ni travel neJoburg nobukela i-team emantombatana ningaye eMbombela Stadium kusekutheni unilethela yona la ekhaya la you just walk to the stadium please siyanicela bantu bakaBhokweni bantu baseMbombela ma supporters wonke ema team lahlukahlukene sicela supporteni amantombatana ethu and sinenkinga yokuthi sifuna ukuthi isafa ba support marathina la ekhaya siyahluleka ba supporta sikhombeni lesafa asibakhombeni bonke abantu otikhulu tethu kuthi ibhola siyayithanda la kaBhokweni
nimvile Mama Fish madoda kungenwa mahala eKaBhokweni Stadium mayidlala iTS Galaxy siyayivala lento na ya Mama Fish bana President Choose danko